Here there's a bit of a leak. I'll fix that before I waterproof. I need to take that off and screw one of these magic caps that the plumbers use all the time these days. The gaps are a bit large, but it can all be patched up. I've got to set these in. I need to set that in. I need to set this one in. So I'll be cutting that pipe, setting it in, drawing around it, getting rid of my cement sheet so it sits down flush. So I'll be doing that in a second too. Here, I've discussed with the owners, I'll tile to here. That needs to be covered, so if I tile to here and put a bigger piece of aluminium straight over the top, which it'll go from there up to my tile, and it'll cover all that bodge. But it's better than the tile going out past the door when it's closed. Okay, so I've got to put the architraves on. Or they don't have to. If they've got a sample, I'll draw up there and cut to where the architrave's going. It's all good there. Yeah, he started, so that's good. All right, we'll see you soon. Everything's a little bit bodged, but hey, it's all repairable and it'll come out a treat. See ya. Bye.